Sometimes I just don't feel like cutting wood. So for this project, I got my boards at Lowe's and asked them to cut my pieces to length. For this simple outdoor bench, I used 6 cuts from 2x6 boards, but you could make this with a 2x12 as well. I marked for all my pocket holes, but I made sure to check that the screws wouldn't meet where the legs will attach, and you'll see that later. I will leave the measurements in the description for you. And this just goes to show you, you don't need a fancy space to build wood projects. I just set up a step stool in my living room and clamped my boards in place to drill my pocket holes. Of course, this isn't great for my back, but this is a quick project. Now, if you don't have a pocket hole jig, you could easily drill the holes through the top boards into the legs and just use wood screws. You'll just have to decide whether to fill the holes or keep the screws exposed. Now here are all my pocket holes and I am ready to assemble. In addition to the pocket screws, I'm using wood glue with my new favorite glue spreader, which is a silicone face mask applicator from Dollar Tree, and clamps to keep everything flat. And yes, this spreader worked very well. I am using the 2.5-inch coarse thread screws, which are meant for outdoor use. I screwed the 2 longer boards together. With the leg pieces, I just glued together like this and screwed into what will be the bench top. And each leg is 3 inches in from the edge of the top. Of course, I had to test it out, even though this is just decorative. If you're wondering about that orange color you saw earlier, I used this Olympic Waterguard product. It is a semi-transparent wood stain and sealer in one. This is my first time trying it, and I was a little disappointed with the color. It is way too orange, but I thought I'd give it a shot and see how well it works as a sealer. So I'll let you know at the end of the season. Let me know what you think and if you've ever tried this product in the comments. And just FYI, it does take a couple of days to fully dry. But here is how I used the bench to decorate my porch. I got these beautiful mums at a local market. They had such pretty colors. And these pumpkins are from Walmart, as well as this solar lantern. And I also switched out my sunflower door hanger with this simple dried floral look for a natural touch. It's a very minimal look, but adds lots of color for the fall season. And I just love how this little porch fall look turned out. For more fall ideas, stick around and watch the video linked on the screen. And as always, thanks for watching.